exploring the phrase, vent, in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into the word, vent, to understand its meaning and usage in the English language. It's a versatile word that you might have come across, so let's explore it together. Remember, context is key when understanding any word or phrase in a language. Vent primarily refers to an opening that allows air, gas, or liquid to pass out of or into a confined space. For instance, in your house or car, you might have air vents. Example, the room was stuffy, so she opened the vent to let in some fresh air. Apart from being a noun, vent can also be used as a verb. As a verb, it means to release or express strong emotions, especially anger or frustration. Example, she needed to vent her feelings after a long, stressful day at work. English language often uses vent in various idiomatic expressions. Here are a couple. 1. Vent one's spleen. This means to express your anger. Example, after the team lost the match, the coach vented his spleen at the players. 2. Vent one's frustration on. This refers to taking out your frustrations on someone or something. Example, it's not fair to vent your frustrations on your younger brother when you're upset. While vent can be used in multiple contexts, it's essential to ensure the appropriate usage based on context. Remember, when referring to physical openings or outlets, we're likely talking about a vent as a noun. When discussing the release of emotions, it's often used as a verb. Example for clarity, she vented her emotions before fixing the vent in her room. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the word, vent. Words often have multiple meanings, and the key to understanding them lies in the context of their usage. We hope this video shed some light on how to use and understand the phrase, vent, in English. Keep learning and see you in the next video.